Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to send a mail through your Gmail. So for this, firstly you need to download the application. I have already pre-downloaded the application. I am basically using an iOS device, but the process for Android device is exactly the same. So what you have to do is just click on the Gmail icon here and you'll get inside your home page. So what you have to obviously do is log in into your account. So after logging in, at the right side below, you can see that there is a box that says compose. So just click on the compose box where you'll see an option which will ask you to write to whom you're writing the email. So just provide it with a genuine email. So I have decided to send an email to a fellow friend. So after that, what you have to do is you have to write a subject. So the subject can be anything that can be related to your work or the email that you are going to compose. So just click on subject and then now you can write any subject. You can either skip this process as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to directly compose an email. I am going to write an email just like this, and what you can do is if you want you can also attach some files to it. So for attaching the files, at the top you'll see a clip type notation right here, an icon. So what you have to do is just click on this, and here as you can see you'll have some options for photos, attachment, and what you can do is you can also send files from your drives. So in this way, if you want, you can attach a file to this, and now you have to click on the send button right at the top, and in this way your email is sent. So here you can see there an icon pops up at the downward which says sent. In this way you can know that your email has been sent via Gmail to the one that you wanted to send it. I hope this video helped you, and thank you.